Marketing is stuck! Too many tools, clicks, tabs, buttons, reports. Introducing Flows in Juma. Start with the ready flow or describe your workflow with simple words. Juma plans the work and executes on your behalf until the work is done. You just review, adjust, and move on. Your Google Ads analyzed and the full report delivered as a presentation. Your thought leadership post, but also turned into a beautiful carousel for maximum engagement. Your article written, published, and optimized to rank both on Google and in AI. Look, the best marketing will always start with a human. Your strategy, your vision. The execution, hand it to Juma and watch it flow.